Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of April 16th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is money. Sheep in a Shop by Nancy Shaw, illustrated by Margot Apple. A birthday's coming, hip hooray! 5 sheep shop for the big day. Sheep find rackets, sheep find rockets, sheep find jackets full of pockets. Sheep find blocks, sheep wind clocks, sheep try trains, sheep fly planes. Sheep decide to buy a beach ball, sheep prefer an out-of-reach ball. Sheep climb, sheep grumble, sheep reach, sheep fumble. Sheep sprawl, boxes tumble, boxes fall in one big jumble. Sheep put back the beach ball stack, they choose some ribbon from the rack. They dump their bank, pennies clank, there's not enough to buy this stuff. Sheep blink, sheep think, what can they swap to pay the shop? Sheep clip wool, 3 bags full. Sheep trade, the bill is paid. Sheep hop home in the warm spring sun. They're ready for some birthday fun. The end. We're going to make a little treasure chest, a little wooden chest. What your Craft-to-Go kit will have is a wooden chest, and if you open it up, there's some jewels and actually a plastic gold coin for you. Oops, there's a gem. And what we're going to do is paint the chest. So we'll need some paints. I'm going to use my paint pens. And then we're going to glue the gems on, which we have glue. So what I'm going to do is start painting. I'm just going to make my chest black, I think with a gold trim. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to color the black paint on. And then I'll add the gold accents, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, this is what my chest looks like now. Put the paints away, and I do have some on my hands, but that's okay. And then we're just gonna glue some gems on. I want to glue my coin to the top. I like that. I don't know why, but I think it's cute. So I'm just gonna put some glue on the coin. Set it on there. And then I'm just gonna glue these other little gems on, just however I decide to do it. And then I'll come back and show you the finished product.